Hello everyone, my name is Justice from Justauto channel, and I am here at a car show that they are having here in Redmond. It's supposed to be the last car show of the summer, so I want to take you around and show you the amazing cars that they have here. Lamborghini Gallardo pulling in. Awesome. Over here we have this Alfa Romeo. This Alfa Romeo. For Guilia. So that's carbon fiber right there. And we have this Lamborghini pulling out. That is a Lamborghini Gallardo. Beautiful wheels. Here we have this McLaren. McLaren 600 LT. Beautiful carbon fiber. Look at these awesome wheels. That's sick. Pirelli. That's what inside of this McLaren 600 LT is like. And here, one amazing thing with this McLaren, as you can see, this is all carbon fiber. And that's the massive exhaust. It's amazing, all the carbon fiber that this McLaren has. And here we have another McLaren 570S. Amazing cars. This one exhaust is down here. This one doesn't have as much carbon fiber as the other one. Yeah, the owner is very nice. She opened the door for me to see inside. Look at that beautiful interior. Thank you, ma'am. And over here we have another Alfa Romeo Guilia. That's what the engine is like. This one is G4 Guilia. And over here we have this beautiful Audi Audi R8 fully named. Beautiful R8. And look at this beautiful S3 with carbon fiber on the engine. Beautiful car.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And here is a McLaren. Now there is a story behind this McLaren. I'm gonna tell you. I think it's the previous owners of this McLaren has a YouTube channel. I think it's Daily Driven Exotic. So right now, these people here, supercar driven here in Washington State, bought this car, which is amazing.
I couldn't say no to the offer I got.
And this McLaren is owned by the same owner who owns this one. This is a McLaren 650S. Beautiful wheels. And this one has this massive, beautiful quad exhaust. This is a Nissan GTR 650S. One of my dream car. Massive wing on this. This is the front of the Nissan GT. And here we have Porsche. Porsche 911 Carrera 4S. Bmw M5. The Subaru, Mercedes Benz. Let's see what this one is. For sure, this has a V8 twin turbo 4MATIC. It says bi-turbo. Beautiful car. And here we have this Jaguar SVR. F-Type. Here we have a brand new BMW S7 X-Drive 40i. And here we have another Audi R8. V10. Yeah, the owner of this car has put a lot of work and money into it. Beautiful 5-spoke rim with R8 on the brakes. Carbon fiber on the side mirror, and this all carbon fiber. Another beautiful Nissan GTR. Beautiful Corvette. And I think this is the toughest Miata ever.